Okay, we now move on to speaking part 2. Describe an art or craft activity that you had at school. So, over to you.
Years ago, when I was a kid, I studied in in art school. It was about 6 years back. It was about 6 years back. April 30, our school organized an art competition. I got participated in that. In that part in that art exhibition, I do I do I do woodwork, and I made a small tree house, and I made it by myself, and because I believe that I can only do it by myself. I don't want to, I don't like to someone to interrupt my work. So overall, it, it was a beautiful house, and it was just like I made a heaven on the earth. And at the last, and after the end of the exam, and after,
Alright, that's fine. Just try to speak fluently. First thing. Second, you're mixing present and past. Somewhere you say I do, I don't. Somewhere you use past tense. Look, your topic is describe an art or craft activity that you had at school. So everything should be in past simple tense. Okay? And try to focus your fluency and clarity. You should have more content to express yourself, right? Let's go on. Speaking part 3. What traditional handicrafts are popular in your country?
in in my country, there are so many handicrafts are popular, such as Lahore Lahore carpets, Peshawar wooden chairs, and these are some examples that are most popular in my country.
All right, this is good. So come up with more ideas in part 3 and elaborate your point at least in 5 to 6 sentences. Okay, thank you. And try to come out of this thing. Try to speak confidently, loudly, clearly, friendly, and all that. Thank you.